Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem with your how you can fix iPhone sound problem. So first thing, you check here on buttons if you choose highest level of sound, or another thing you can try to check if you switch here on loud mode, not vibrate, silent, sorry. So also you could open the settings. In the settings you need to find here sounds, and here you need to check all these options. So thanks for watching. Also you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power the phone again, so just simply restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.